Okay, for this test, the first question says, for all b and c, and a does not equal 0, if ax plus b equals c, then x equals what? So it wants you to solve for x. So the first thing I did was I eliminated b from the left side by subtracting it. That left me ax on the left equals c minus b, because you can't subtract those. And then you want to divide both sides by a to eliminate the a, so you've solved for x. So the answer is D, C minus B over A. The second question is simplify the square root of 32 over 3 plus the square root of 18 over 5. If you'll simply just put that in your calculator, it'll give you the answer. Number 3. If 25 is subtracted from the square of a certain number b, the result is 11. So when you subtract, you're going to say b squared minus 25 equals 11. The answer is E. Number 4, for all x, 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 10 equals. So what I did was I subtracted everything in the second set of parentheses, and I combined my like terms. I combined the 3x and the 2x by subtracting them and getting an x squared. I used the green lines to show the like terms, the x terms. So I said 5x minus negative 3x was 8x. And then the purple lines indicate the constants. 7 minus 10 was negative 3. So the answer is A. Number 5, if the reciprocal of a certain number x is added to 5/3, the result is 2. What is x? So remember, reciprocal is 1 over x plus 5 over 3 equals 2. So you want to know what gives you 2. What divided by 3 is going to give you 2? 6 over 3. So x has to be 3. You have to have a common denominator. Number 6, find the value of 2x square root 18x plus 3x square root 2x when x equals 2. So all you need to do is substitute a 2 everywhere there's an x, put it in the calculator, and your answer is 36. Number 7, which equation best describes the graph? Well, the first thing I noticed is the y-intercept was at 5. So I looked at my answer choices, and any answer choice that doesn't end with the constant 5 is going to be deleted. Those are out. So now the only two choices I have between are A and B, and the easiest way to do that is to put the equations in mode 7 and find the tables and see which tables give you the same ordered pairs that are graphed here. Number 8, in the standard regular coordinate plane, find the distance between -3, 4 and 2, 8, -8. So I graphed the points on a coordinate plane. I drew a line to connect them. I found the rise and the run, made a right triangle, and I used the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse. So I substituted in 5 in for A and 12 in for B. And I squared both of those and took the square root, so the answer is B, 13. Number 9, for all x, 3x minus 5 squared equals, so remember square means you want to write it down twice, and then you want to distribute to multiply. So I used the green lines to indicate distributing by the 3x. 3x times 3x was 9x squared. 3x times -5 was -15x. And then I used the purple lines to show distributing the -5. -5 times 3x is -15x. And -5 times -5 is +25. When you combine your like terms, your -15x and your -15x, you get -30x. So the answer is D. And finally, number 10, for all A and B, A plus 3B squared minus 3B times 2A plus 3B equals. So again, I expanded and I got rid of my exponent. I wrote down A plus 3B 2 times, then minus 3B times 2A plus 3B. Then I distributed my A in my first set of parentheses, illustrated with the green marks, and got A squared plus 3AB. Next, I distributed with the blue marks the 3b, so I got 3ab plus 9b squared. And then finally, I distributed my negative 3b, illustrated with the purple marks, negative 6ab minus 9b squared. When you combine your like terms, the ab terms cancel out, and the b squared terms cancel out, so the answer is a squared.